Hello and welcome to Seed and Faith. In today's video, you will learn how to be more productive by using the world's best productive matrix. Make sure you stick on to the video till the end to make life more productive. Generally, we think productive means always busy getting more work done. But the truth is, productive means doing important things consistently. Whatever you work on, there are only few things that are important. Try to identify the important things and work on it consistently until you reach your desired result. Today, I am going to share with you the Eisenhower box to plan or to organize your work to be done more effectively. Eisenhower was the 34th President of the United States of America. Before becoming the President, he was a 5-star general in the United States Army. During his period as a President, he launched important programs for the development of the country. One of the remarkable programs he launched is NASA. Throughout his life, he managed to be productive. One of the strategies he used to be more productive is now known as the Eisenhower box or Eisenhower matrix. This simple method will help you to stay focused, organized, and be productive. Now let's see what are the important strategies to be followed to be productive. Always list down your activities. It may be for a day, a week, a month, or an year. While listing out your activities, segregate it based on the following quadrants: urgent and important. Number 2, important but not urgent. Number 3, urgent but not important. Number 4, neither urgent nor important. Before segregating your activities, understand what is important and what is urgent. Any work which need immediate attention is urgent, but it need not to be important. So be careful about it. Important means any activities which benefits you based on your vision or goal in life. That is important. Now, quadrant 1, urgent and important. Always give priority to things which requires immediate attention. That is, things which need to be completed on the same day. For example, doing the work requested by your boss, which was due to be submitted on the particular day. So any task which is important like emergency situation, submission of reports with deadlines, any critical issues should be handled immediately. Quadrant 2, important but not urgent. Now the second thing is you want to list down the activities which are important but not urgent. Under this fall your important tasks which needs long time. So schedule your works which fall under this quadrant. For example, planning a new project, routine health care, routine maintenance of your vehicles. These are important tasks which needs focus for your success in career or business. So schedule it properly to get the work done. If you fail to work on this quadrant, you may end up spending more time in quadrant 1. For example, if you fail to schedule your car maintenance, it becomes your important and urgent work when it breaks down. So second quadrant plays an important role to keep things in track and organized. Number 3, urgent but not important. These are activities which are not important or to be done immediately, but you have the option to do it through someone. If it is the case, kindly delegate the work. Spending too much time in this area will make you tired and depressed. For example, you can get your groceries delivered instead of going to the store. You can delegate your car cleaning routine to someone. This will help you to focus on your main agendas. Number 4, neither urgent nor important. These activities are just distraction. Kindly try to avoid them. If any activity that does not contribute to your goals or vision in life, kindly eliminate from your list. Example, watching television, surfing on the web, or spending time in social media. These activities need to be avoided. This will waste your time and avoid you from being productive. When you list out your activities based on this strategy, you will find it easy to be productive rather wasting your time. So always make a filter in your to-do list before jumping directly into the work. So now we will summarize what we have seen so far. If it is urgent and important, do it right away. If it is important but not urgent, schedule it. If it is urgent but not important, delegate it. If it is neither urgent nor important, eliminate it. Finally, understand the difference between urgent and important. That will help you to prioritize things in life. Thank you. If you find this video useful to you, kindly subscribe to our channel and share with your friends and family.